In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the quantity selector from product pages in Shopify's Dawn theme. You have two main options for achieving this. You can either disable it directly through the theme editor, which will hide the selector but keep the code intact, making it easy to reintroduce later if you change your mind. Alternatively, you can remove the code entirely, which will permanently get rid of the selector. Now, let's explore both methods in detail so that you can decide which one best suits your needs. Let's start with the first method, which involves disabling the quantity selector using the theme editor. First, you'll want to access your Shopify admin panel. Once you're logged in, head over to the online store section and click on Themes. Here, you will see a Customize button next to your current theme, which is the Dawn theme in this case. Go ahead and click that button to enter the customization interface. Within the customization screen, you're going to select Product Pages, then choose Default Product. This will bring up a preview of how your product pages currently look. Now, your task is to locate the quantity selector in this preview. When you find it, you should see an eye icon next to it. Clicking this icon will hide the quantity selector from view. It's as simple as that. Once you've completed this action, make sure to click Save to ensure your changes are applied. And there you have it. You've successfully hidden the quantity selector using Shopify's theme editor. Now let's dive into the second method, which is more of a permanent solution for those who are certain they won't need the quantity selector anymore. This involves removing the code entirely. Start again by going to your Shopify admin panel. From there, navigate to Online Store, then Themes. But this time, instead of customizing, you'll click on Actions and then Edit Code. This will take you to a view where you can see all the underlying code files associated with your theme. Look for the Sections folder, and within it, you'll find a file named mainproduct.liquid. Open this file, and you'll need to scroll through the code to locate the section related to the quantity selector. You're on the lookout for elements like, or classes like, quantity selector. Once you find the relevant code, you have two choices. You can either comment out the code by wrapping it in, which will essentially deactivate it without deleting it, or you can remove it by deleting the code completely. After making these changes, don't forget to click Save to update your theme. And there you have it. You've removed the quantity selector from your product pages. As a side note, if you're also looking to remove the quantity selector from your cart page, you'll need to repeat a similar process. Locate and modify the files related to the cart, often named something similar to maincartitems.liquid. That's it for today's lesson. Hopefully, you're now equipped to make these changes with confidence.